Now, so this right here is a video that is all about pretty much, this is some extra information that we all need to internalize because it's very real, it's very true. And yeah, once you know this and you make the actions towards, not consuming flesh, not consuming animal products, and, really choosing foods that are going to collectively contribute to you raising your vibration, um, like you just have a whole different other experience that is just incredibly beautiful. Okay, and this is what I want to say: these animals that we're eating are actually, they have a lot of trauma, yo. They are sick, they are abused, they have generations of trauma. Okay, this trauma is crazy. Look at humanity today. Look what happened when COVID happened. People in the scarcity mindset, you know, buying completely dumb shit like toilet paper. Toilet paper, bruh. Toilet paper, you know? But don't realize that you can really just come out into nature. This is how disconnected we are. Literally, you can get some leaves and use as toilet paper. And it don't have to be something like bro, banana leaves are toilet paper. You can use that as toilet paper, but there's other, I'm just saying that there's some, and also you really don't even need anything to wipe. You can use water. Yes, believe it or not, a lot of people in the tropics where I'm at do that. All right. So there's a thing called the bodega, right? And all it is water. But something I want to say is this: these animals have a lot of trauma. If you have a lot of trauma, if you have a certain mentality, scarcity mentality, you feel me? If you're always anxious, if you are depressed, if you have a lot of anxiety, these things are manifestations from literally the food that you are eating. It's literally coming from the animals, bro. The chicken, the beef, these animals are beat. These animals are forced to do things. And humanity literally is acting like that. Okay? So if you want to be able to, regain control of your very existence and break the chains off wellness, off your wellness, and really step into who you are, put down the animal flesh, put down the processed foods. You feel me? Step into fasting, step into detoxing, okay? Step into creating a routine, step into expressing gratitude, step into connecting back with source, connecting back with nature, okay? Step into, meditation, right? Step into information that is collectively contributing to your overall your personality, which creates your personal reality. Okay? These animals, look, energy never dies. Okay? That energy that is within that traumatized poor little chicken, which is a being, it's not food, it's an animal, it's not food. Okay? But this being and how they feel and what they've been through is now being transferred over to you. And honestly, we don't really even like animal products because of the fact that if we ate them raw and we ate them without any herbs or plants on it, we more than likely wouldn't like animal products. Okay? So the energy just transfers from one being to another. It's the same like sex. When you have sex with your partner, and you just notice, oh, I'm moving like him now, or I'm moving like her, or, it's like for us men, right? You have sex with a girl, she start talking like you, she start acting like you, she start doing cool, goofy shit, and it's like, it's cute, because it's like, that's you, and that's you, But, like, that's what I'm talking about. It's the same thing, okay? So the reason why you are experiencing the trauma, the anxiety, the depression, the loneliness, the suicidal thoughts, maybe, is really because of the food that you are eating. This is why I spend so much time on this, okay? Because it is incredibly important. It's incredibly important, all right? And it can be very transformative if you just simply understood this information and took the action to put it down for a long period of time to then be able to step into this new person that you are, right? And really, really go from there and evolve from there so that way you can be able to see the difference, okay? So if you guys need some extra help with, raising your vibration, losing some weight, getting fit, right, and switching to this lifestyle as a high raw vegan, with the link down below, you can schedule a free consultation, but you do have to take a questionnaire, okay? The questionnaire at the very end of it, if it allows you to schedule a call with me, then, go ahead and schedule the call and just, make sure you screenshot the confirmation page and just, I don't know, send it to me in a message on here. And, I'll confirm with my team that you did not get double booked. And then from there, we'll just meet on the call and go from there, okay? But, yeah, man, it's very, very important. And there's definitely an energy aspect to, this lifestyle as well, okay? All right, y'all. Peace.